Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something a little bit different. You might remember a little while ago I did a prison ramen burrito. Not the healthiest thing in the world. And I thought, why don't I try to make a healthy prison ramen burrito using healthy ingredients? Or at least healthier, right? That's what I'm doing today. We're gonna start out with a pack of Vite Ramen. Yeah, this stuff is pretty healthy as far as ramen goes. 500 calories per serving. It's got 11 grams of fat, but it's got 27 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, and if you look down here, an absolute cavalcade of vitamins and minerals for your day. Normally the way you would cook this is to do cook it in like 2 cups of water and then drain it. Actually, I think it's 1.5 cups of water and then drain it, and then add it to a cup of hot water. Not today. We are going to cook it in 1 cup of water because we don't want all that soup. Also, I've munched it up pretty darn good. Oh, righty. It's a burrito, so we don't want it soupy. So we're gonna put that on the heat. Last time I used Flamin' Hot Cheetos and Doritos. I figured that doesn't really fit into the hellscape of healthiness. Haha. Pirate's booty. Gonna munch that up pretty good. The Doritos factor. So we're not using Doritos. Went with these blue corn tortilla chips. They're kind of salty. They're from Walmart at least. That's kind of, you know, I guess a little less closer to the darkness. I don't know. Pretty much almost all the water is gone, but it's still pretty moist. So I think this is about what we're looking for. I might end up having to add a little extra water in here just so it's gonna work, because a lot of these ingredients sachets are pretty good size and they're all dry, and we still haven't even put the pirate booty in here yet. If you're interested in this variety, this is the version 1.1 Vite Ramen. They've upgraded their recipe, and I've been told there will be a version 1.2 coming soon as well. So be on the lookout for that. They only sell it on their website at viteramen.com. It's that in the booty. And I think we need just a skosh more liquid. 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. It's getting that nice kind of pasty funk to it that the prison ramen had. Alright, and now we're gonna put it in here. This is where the rubber meets the road. Alright, now we have this bag of stuffing. So we're gonna roll it flat and make it so it's even all the way across. And then we basically want to roll it as tight as humanly possible. See, just kind of backing it up a little bit every time. And there she is. We'll just let it sit there. We'll give it about 20 minutes. Alright. It's time. I'm going to do this exactly the same way as I did it last time. So at this point, it's easiest just to cut straight across the bag, because you don't need to reuse this, trust me. It's been iterated upon far more than is necessary already to make it something that you can reuse. I guess if you're that hardcore, you could wash it out, but that's just kind of weird. So realize that we live in a world where things get chucked all the time. Yeah, it's necessary. You don't want to hang on to certain things because you just don't need them. You don't need to save that bag. That's just a little tip. Actually, it's like a huge taquito, isn't it? What? Whoa, look at that, kids. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, they just keep getting weirder looking. Here's a little 360 for you of the healthy Vite Ramen, blue corn chip, and pirate booty burrito. And so you might say, you better leave it like that. That's you know, healthy and stuff. No, I'm sorry. If you're like hardcore, if you're like vegetarian, don't add what I'm adding in the next step because this is like totally not right for you. But yeah, this is easy cheese, American variety. You gotta remember that you gotta still have at least somewhat of a prison element. Spring onion, that's vegetarian. And then we've got a little bit of this stuff. This is really good. It's fresh gourmet crispy garlic. And I've shown this off before, but I'll just do it again. So they're mainly for salads, I guess, but they're really good in everything. But they're like fried garlic and they're salty. It's like a garlic potato chip. A little bit of that on there, yeah. And finally, what's a burrito without sauce? And this time I'm going to use Cholula chili garlic sauce. Let's let you have a little bit of private time with it. I think that's the right thing to do at this point. So, yeah. Here we go. To give this a try. I'm going to do a cross section. Oh wow. And when you look at it, it kind of does have that look of being something that's meaty, but there's no meat in this at all. So it's pretty solid. I'm going to give it a try. You ready? Set? Wow. So the only thing really of unhealthiness in this is the easy cheese. And I'm guessing that you'll be able to find, if you need to, another option. That's good. And it does, just like the one made actually with Texas beef Maruchan instant noodles, have that kind of meatiness to it almost. It's almost like a ground beef and refried bean kind of thing going on. But neither of those things are in this. It's gotta be the blue corn chips. But it doesn't taste anything like pirate's booty. Yeah, this is this is good. I kind of want to eat the whole thing. Yeah, honestly, if you've got some Vite Ramen in your pantry, I totally recommend doing this. Honestly, this is really good. And this was the vegan miso flavor of Vite Ramen. About 18 pulverized blue corn chips, 1 ounce of Pirate's Booty, a little bit of easy cheese, Cholula chili garlic hot sauce, Fresh Express fried garlic, and a little bit of spring onion, also known as green onion, also known as scallions. And there's protein, there's fiber, there's lots of vitamins and minerals. What a weird alien thing. But cool, yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm gonna do a couple more of these prison ramen burrito style things, of things that you're not gonna get in prison, like ramen. I'm thinking I might do one with, well, you'll just have to watch and see. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.